So we have good news today. I am officially moving tomorrow. President Mossa only got me a lobster tail, andouille sausage, beef, 3 eggs, 1 corn, and 1 potato. So, I've never had this restaurant before. I was trying to order it from the restaurant that I always go to, but I guess they don't deliver to the area that I'm in. Yes. It's okay. The sauce is okay. The other restaurant is better actually. But this was only like $40. The other restaurant was like $66. So today's the day to celebrate. What's today? Tuesday. This sauce is okay. It's not all of that. It is not all that. But it'll do. It's a little spicy. I had to warm it up in the microwave. I have some garlic bread in the oven because it's the sauce for me. I haven't had a lobster tail probably over 6 months. But today's the day. Today is the day. Ooh. This was $19.99. 2 of them was like $32. Well, I like lobster tails better. Cracking them legs are take too much work. And then they don't have that much meat in it. So here is the lobster tail. I was thinking about getting some mussels, some black mussels, but no, I think this is enough for now. This is enough for today. Got that garlic bread. They were charging $4.99 for garlic bread. I said, we got some garlic bread. Let me get one out of them out the freezer. And uh-oh. It's pretty good. It's not super tender, but it's good with the sauce. So that's my praise report for today. The praise report is that I am moving tomorrow. It's official. They approved me kind of quick. I applied for the apartment last week. And New Year's Eve and New Year's Day kind of slowed it up because I think the New Year holiday slowed it up. She said it got processed over the weekend. So she called me yesterday at about 6 o'clock in the evening and told me I was approved. I'm approved. And I'm gonna be living on the 3rd floor. This is my first time living on the 3rd floor. I always live on the ground level. My apartment right now is on the 1st level. And my apartments in the past were always on the 1st level. But, so, it's gonna be new. Moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky. This was perfect. I got corn. Yes. I got 2 more eggs left, 1 potato, and lobster. Them sausages fill you up. Let me taste this corn, see if it's, it look like it ain't and not cooked long enough. Look like it's hard. This corn look like it's hard. Let me see. Yeah, this corn is not really done. The other restaurant that I used to go to is better than this. It is, but it's a little bit more expensive, even though it's not that expensive, but it's more expensive than this. And it actually tastes better. I guess you get what you pay for. It's like they rushed this. They cooked this too fast. They didn't take their time with this. And you can tell. The bread is perfect. Oh, I'm glad it's not too hot. It's not too spicy. It's just the right amount of spice. I'm actually getting full already. I'm getting full already. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna say this, the rest of this for later. It's not too much, but I want to say it. Yeah, I'm gonna save the rest of this for later on today. Full already. And it's my first time eating today, so I guess my appetite, I guess my stomach shrunk because I'm full already. I got this much left. A little bit of lobster tail left, a little sausage, a little bit corn, 1 egg, and 1 potato. Yes, I'm gonna save the rest of this. Be a nice little snack for later on. And let me put this in another bowl. No, I'm just gonna leave it in this bowl and cover it up. So I won't complain. That was rather tasty. That was good for a first meal of the day. Another good celebratory meal for the new year, because we're celebrating all 2025. I had said 2024 in my video, and I said I'm finally monetized. January 4th, 2024. It's 2025. I'm sure I'm not the only one that can say the wrong thing, but I know it's 2025. And it's up and it's stuck. All praise to the Most High, the Most High only. Thank you, Most High, for my abundance of health, wealth, love, prosperity, and peace, and abundance, and blessings to you all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and remember, always keep the Most High first. So I know that since I got a good praise report today, I know somebody else received a praise report this week. Let me know in the comments if you received your answer to your prayers, and if one of your prayers was answered this week, because a breakthrough is on the way for you, because a breakthrough is definitely on the way for me. So with that being said, remember to always keep the Most High first. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Stay blessed and see you next time. Bye.